hectares by 2028.
Yes.
Good sponsor.
We'll finish it by 2028.
Okay. Rinawa po.
Compare the
So,
first 2 years.
given that only 40% of the approved loan proceeds has been released, the country is likely to pay commitment fees to the World Bank. Magkano po ang nabayaran na natin sa commitment fees para sa slow utilization ng pondo? Good sponsor.
158 million.
So far,
158.
nasaan? Ang nabayad na daw nila na commitment fees sa World Bank, 158 million
158 million dollars o pesos po?
pesos.
Pesos. 158. And then, okay, hopefully hindi na po ito madagdagan o tumaas kung sa halip na manatiling mabagal or mababa, bumilis nga po, gaya ng tina-target ng department, yung individual titles na ire-release at saka yung area of coverage na maa-achieve compared to targets. Plano po ba ng department ipa-extend yung split, good sponsor? Mhm.
December 21, 2027.
So extended na
So,
ng mga
ayaw
3
niya
taon
Yes. Kaya na namin.
Kaya na daw nila
at
natapusin.
kakayanin na. Hari na nga nawa po kasi ang extended until 2027, although kanina sinasabing target matapos lahat-lahat by 2028.
Yeah, but
Hopefully by 2027 malaking bahagi na noon ay talagang
tatapusin na
na-achieve
nila.
na.
By then, tapos na yun.
Yes.
Distribute na lang namin.
For this.
Sabi nila, magagawa na nila titulo. It's a matter of distribution na lang.
Alright. Salamat, good sponsor. Dako ako, Mr. President, sa banana industry at yung mga arbos. The performance of the banana industry has been declining steadily in the past few years. There are many arbos in the Davao region who entered into long-term joint venture agreements with large transnationals. Anong ginagawa ng DAR para tulungan yung mga arbos na to, good sponsor?
Binibigyan natin sila ng mga support services. Binibigyan natin sila ng credit assistance, binibigyan natin sila ng farm machineries and equipment.
No, but ang problema nila, sakit eh.
Yun ang
The problem of the banana farmers is the sickness of the banana plant. And but DAR is giving them assistance, pero marami yata sa banana farmers are corporate farms, 'di ba? Hindi naman hindi masyado yung yung small farmers.
Bagamat good sponsor sa loob ng mga corporate farming entities na ito, yun na nga, maraming arbos ang pumasok sa long-term JV agreements sa kanila, pati po sa mga large transnationals. Kaya importante pa rin yung support services ng DAR sa mga agrarian farm beneficiaries. Lalo na pag ganun, nagda-diversify na sila into joint venture agreements na agricultural. Good sponsor.
When you enter into a joint venture agreement with the corporate farms, I think the corporate farms will help them kasi it's part of their system. Kaya lang, nagbibigay rin kayo sa land reform beneficiaries. But katulong nyo yung mga corporate farms to help them.
Ano pong assistance yung binibigay ng DAR sa mga ARBs na to na pumapasok sa JV sa mga transnationals? Good sponsor.
Credit assistance you give. Yes.
In general, what we give them is credit assistance,
And
access to credit assistance,
Training.
and then yung training so we can introduce to them the latest technology, et cetera, et cetera. And more importantly, yung mga farm machineries and equipment, we provide that.
hindi yung corporate farms ang nagbibigay.
Meron din kung binibigay corporate.
They give the farm machineries, they give credit assistance, and then training with regards to new technology, which is very important if there are suffering diseases in their banana plantation.
That, ma'am. We are also providing legal assistance to them so that they would know how to deal in these kinds of arrangements, ma'am.
And they also provide legal assistance, so their joint venture with the corporate farms they will be guided in their joint venture with corporate farms.
Okay, maraming salamat, good sponsor. I think sa ganyang paraan, pagkatapos ng land acquisition and distribution, mag-diversify din at masustain yung support services at papasok din yung agrarian justice delivery kung kasama sa assistance ng DAR sa mga ARBs na pumapasok dito sa mga JV sa transnationals ay itong mga binanggit na mga assistance at pati legal assistance. Sana po i-sustain talaga iyan para magtagumpay yung ating mga ARB sa pagsasaka. Kahit mag-diversify pa sila sa kanilang mga economic activities. At huli po, Mr. President, good sponsor, tungkol sa Bugsok Island at yung notice of coverage. Kumusta na po ang investigasyon ng DAR legal team sa kaguluhan sa Bugsok Island? For context po, good sponsor, nagkaroon ng lifting ng notice of coverage dito sa Bugsok Island.
Dapat
Ma'am, yung tungkol dun sa Bugsok Island, we are now, we have intervened on them. And we are arranging, in fact, it's ongoing already. Our second between unilateral and the
with regards to Bugsok Island, they have intervened and they are now settling the controversy between the landowner and the ARBs. So
There is a dialogue.
there is a dialogue now, so hopefully they can solve the problem. Saan ba yung Bugsok Island?
Hopefully po, good sponsor, kasi actually ang contention ng mga ARBs dito ay sila nga ang landowner. And in fact, was it 10 years ago, na-issuehan na po sila ng notice of coverage. Kaya lang, recently, na-lift yun. And nagkaroon po ng tensyon ng bantang may sumiklab na karahasan. In fact, meron kasing pumapasok na mga armado. Nakaputok na po sila. Buti hindi nila natamaan yung mga ARBs na hindi lang landowners doon nitong modernong panahon, pero sasabihin nila since time immemorial kasi mga ano to mga descendants ng mga ancestral fishers doon sa islang iyon. So mga katutubong Filipino din. Gusto kong i-appreciate nung idinulog ko itong problema kay SEC din. Minsan, kahit maikling paunang pag-uusap namin, sabi nga nila magbubuo sila ng legal team at yun na nga, mag-i-intervene para hindi matuloy yung karahasan. I really hope na pwede itong through the dialogue resolbahin ng may hustisya para sa mga ancestral, sa mga indigenous fishers at agrarian reform beneficiaries doon. Good sponsor.
Na daw sila ng legal team
Ongoing.
and ongoing na yung negotiation.
Yun na nga po. Yun din po yung sabi ni Sec sa akin dati na may legal team. And I hope na yung DAR ay hindi lang gagabay kundi susuporta doon sa mga ARBs doon na sa negosasyon makuha yung karapat-dapat sa kanila. Hindi negosasyon na tawaran lang, pero negosasyon na may substantive win para sa mga ARBs, good sponsor. At huli, good sponsor, ilang mga petisyon para sa exemption ang kasalukuyang pending at ilang ektarya at ilang ARBs ang nangangamba na dahil sa resulta o mas posibleng maging resulta ng mga exemptions na ito, good sponsor.
100.
Exemption cases.
And then, how many people? And how many hectares? 100 daw exemption cases.
100 exemption cases currently pending, covering ilang hektarya po and covering ilang ARBs.
So 100,000. Average daw 1,000 per case. So
1,000
or less
hectares po?
100,000.
Sorry.
1,000
Square meters.
square meter per case.
Okay.
O di 100,000 square meter, which is about 10 hectares.
Yes,
Oh.
So sa 100 kasong ito, mga 10 hectares ang posibleng
Involved.
exempt
1,000 square meter per case.
per case.
So kung 100 cases,
Right.
100,000 ano, 100,000 square meter, which is equivalent to 10 hectares.
Yes. At sa 10 hektaryang ito na posibleng or at least may kasalukuyang pending petition for exemption, ilang ARBs ang nangangambang mawalan?
10,000, 10 hectares eh. Sabi nga natin, 1 hectare per, di 10 lang,
10 ARBs
100.
sa 100 cases na ito?
Di ba sabi nyo, 1,000 per hectare,
Something cases. So 100 cases. I think that was, I think it's
Saka 100 petitions po ito, good sponsor, covering 10 hectares lamang?
something ng exemption ng mga
Parang kulang.
ma'am. Dun sa 100, more or less 100 cases is 1,000 hectares.
Oh.
So,
1,000 people.
So, ang
So,
per farmers yan, multiply mo mga farmers yan ng times 10. Ang farmers yan mo mga 10,000 farmers.
10,000 farmers. When it comes to number of cases, it's more or less 100 cases.
oh,
But when it comes to
number of farmers, 10,000
10,000.
times.
So mga 10,000 hectares din ang input.
Mga ganun ba?
So, 10 hectares lang ang input.
Hindi ma'am, 10,000 hectares.
No, kasi square meter. O sabi mo 1,000 square meter.
1,000 hectares.
1,000 hectares lang.
1,000.
1,000 hectares, so 1,000 farmers.
1,000 hectares at mga 1,000 na ARBs ang
Farmers.
nangangamba dito sa resulta ng mga exemptions na ito. All right po, good sponsor. Babantayan na lang po namin. Maraming salamat, good sponsor. At ifa-follow up po namin sina RD Ponce, RD Amoton. Tama po ba yung nakuha?
Andyan,
Sorry?
andyan, no?
Amatong.
So, isa, at yun ang isa.
Tonding.
Amatonding. Amatonding. RD Amatonli.
There is a brown young.
Yusek Amatonding. RD Amatonding. At kay Yusek Galit. Magpa-follow up na lang po yung aming mga agrarian reform beneficiaries, partners.
Isip.
Maraming salamat, good sponsor. At,
Thank you.
salamat kami, Mr.
Thank
President.
Thank you, Senator Ontiveros, for your interjections.
Sana si Coco.
Session is suspended.
President, the minority leader is seeking the floor for a brief
Yes,
manifestation. I move
The
that we
minority
Thank you.
leader is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
thank you, Mr. President. With the permission of the sponsor and the secretary, if this representation can just submit written questions. Basically, it's not about your budget anymore, but to help us understand the agrarian reform program so that we will understand how you will budget in the future. Ganun yata, because I think the president has made a statement that the agrarian reform program is about to wind up. Di ba? Parang ganun. So just a clarification. So yes, with that, Mr. President, I have no question, but I'm just informing them that we will submit written questions, Mr. President.
We do have thanks and appreciation to our minority floor leader. Majority floor leader.
So, President, there being no other reservation for interpellation, I move that the budget of the Department of Agrarian Reform, Office of the Secretary, be deemed submitted for the Senate's consideration and approval. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. The proposed budget rather of the Department of Agrarian Reform is deemed submitted to plenary. May I kindly instruct the Dar family after your traditional supposedly already picture taking to kindly proceed to the right side. To
1 minute
exit the-
suspension, Mr. President.
Session is suspended.